to check out another wig review. So today's wig review is sponsored by Wig Encounters. Thank you so much, Wig Encounters, for sending over this new wig. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me, hit that thumbs up, and make sure you're sharing these videos. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into this new wig. This unit is the 22, actually let me find the specs for it so I give it to you exactly correctly. So this is their SWL005 wig. It's their Indian virgin hair in natural black, and it's in 22 inches. This one is 150 density and 6-inch deep parting space. It has baby hairs around the perimeter. It's naturally pre-plucked, and the lace is invisible HD skin melt lace. The lace color is suitable for all skin tones. The knots are bleached. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. You can use the code Jess10 to save an extra $10 off of any wig on the website. And I will leave a link to this exact wig in the information box down below, as well as the website, so you can check out Wig Encounters for yourself. So I did go ahead and bleach the knots some more, but I did not pluck this hairline because the hairline looks absolutely amazing. So I was like, yo, I don't need to pluck this hairline. This hairline looks bomb as it is. So I just bleached the knots, you guys. I did pluck the middle part so that my middle part was a little bit wider and more open. I have not decided if I'm gonna add lace tint to this wig or not. The last HD lace wig that I had, well, the first one, the only one I've ever tried before this one, I did not add any lace tint, and I sort of low-key a little regretted it because I was like, man, just the slightest bit of tint probably would have made this look even more bomb. So we'll see how I feel today. I think maybe I will try a little lace tint. If you guys are in the market for some lace tint, the one that I use is by Wig Extensions. I started off using mocha, then I stepped down to a lighter shade, which is golden. Now I think I'm gonna step down even further to a lighter shade, which is called beige, because I think that will do a little better for me because golden was just coming out a little too dark. So I did add curls to this unit. You can see I added curls to her. So yeah, I did that. I think I'm going to switch this black wig out from behind me because I feel like it's just blending in with the wig and it's making it hard to see my hair. So give me 1 second to do that. All right, so I feel like that is a little bit better. I'm going to go ahead and use my Got To Be Glued, and I'm also going to use my Indie Hairspray. This is the coat. These are the two products that I use to lay down my wigs. I'm going to use these two around my hairline, and I will come back when I'm ready to lay the wig down. If you guys are curious about the unit that I'm rocking right now, I do have a review up on my channel for this unit, and she is absolutely adorable. So if you want to see the review on this one, then definitely click the link above or in the information box down below. And on the inside, let's take a look at the inside of the cap construction of this one. So we have 2 combs on the side, 1 comb at the top. We have a comb in the back and your adjustable straps. And there's also a strap that comes inside that you can also add inside. Maybe I should add that. Let me go grab it, I'll add it. And you have the elastic band that goes inside, and it has the bra straps. Here we go, voila. So she's just right inside there. I'm not gonna use a comb. I'm not gonna use a cap today. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so we've got the wig on. How does she look without a cap? I think she's gonna be all right. Ooh, I think she's gonna be all right. All right, so let's go ahead and start laying her down. Hey, 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 yeah. Okay, let me stop playing. I'm really about to lay this wig down now, for real. For real, for real. So to just take away that little bit of lifting right there, I'm just gonna add a little bit more of the Got to Be Glued right around my hairline, just to lay that down and to help it to blend in. Okay, and there is the hairline looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. Looking pretty dang amazing, okay? So I'm gonna let that little bit of gel dry, and then I'm gonna come back and style the wig. Okay, so now that that's dry, I'm gonna take these bad boys down. Go ahead and get styling with this unit. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. I have no cap underneath here. There's not a cap underneath here. I'm literally rocking this without a stocking cap, which I don't feel like stocking caps are even needed, to be quite honest. If you do your job of plucking, well, didn't have to pluck this one. Straight like that. This wig is no plucking, okay? It's just bomb, and makes your job that much easier. So this is the hairline, you guys. This is the hairline. No plucking. No plucking needed. Now I did do these layers myself. These layers I did on my own, and I feel like my curls are falling a little bit, which I don't mind them falling for the actual length of the hair, but my layers I want to pop a little more. So I am going to curl my layers a little bit. This curling iron is so heavy, I'm getting used to it. I did get this curling iron off of, Amazon, I guess. So I will link it down below to where you can grab yourself this curling iron. It's bomb if you want that nice, flowy, you know, Farrah Fawcett type of look. And that is one of my favorite type of looks. I'm still getting used to this curling iron. I love it, but it definitely is big and it is heavy. So you kind of have to give yourself a minute to get used to it. You also have to hold your curls a little bit when they come off of the curler, because you won't get what you're looking for if you don't. Like, let the curl cool a little bit while you're holding it. And then you'll be able to, you know, get what you're trying to get. So I'm gonna finish curling this up and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so this is the unit all curled up and looking good. I absolutely love it. I've been working with WIGENCOUNTERS now for probably 3 years. They're one of the first companies to take a chance on me before I had 30,000 subscribers, and I appreciate them for it. And I appreciate their hair quality has been consistent throughout all the years that I've been working with them. Their hair has only gotten better and better and better over the years. They continue to improve, and this wig just shows that they're continuing to stay on top of their A game, because this wig is absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous, it's easy to install, and it's easy to just look perfect. I mean, the only thing I had to do with this unit, well, I didn't even have to bleach the knots. The knots come pre-bleached and it comes pre-plucked. Plucking literally takes me at least an hour to an hour and 20 minutes to really get it right. It takes a lot of time, and a lot of times you screw it up and you waste money and you waste, you know, a beautiful product when you're sitting there trying to pluck it out. So I appreciate the fact that they thought ahead and did that work for you, so when you spend your money, you're not gonna waste it. You don't need to bleach the knots. I did, just because I like my knots to look a certain way. If you're a beginner, this is so beginner friendly. I absolutely would recommend it. The wig is beautiful. The hair is so soft and flowy. The density is amazing. The length is probably longer than 22. I feel like the length is even longer than 22 inches. It's absolutely beautiful. I love this wig, you guys. I did go ahead and cut a bunch of layers into it and I curled it, but other than that, this wig is popping. I mean, it speaks for itself, to be quite honest. I don't know what else I could say. You just have to look at it and know it's gorgeous. I mean, come on. No baby hairs, no nothing. Just bomb. Like, bomb. So you guys be the judge. You let me know what you think of this wig. I absolutely adore it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.